Welcome to our Hayward is Open for Business video series, featuring the stories of 10 different local businesses and their stories of sheer resilience in their entrepreneurial journey through the last 2 years of the COVID-19 pandemic, giving you even more reason to shop Hayward and support Hayward's small businesses today. Let's get started by visiting the Dirty Bird Lounge.
Hi, welcome to the Dirty Bird.
My name is Victor Calderon. I'm the owner of the kitchen inside of Dirty Bird. We have like this really traditional birria. It's come from Michoacan, Saguayo. So it's my mother-in-law, she is the best birria I tried before. We have like this specific menu here. So we got a couple more stuff. We have really nice birria. It's come with the consomme. We have nice crispy fish tacos. Also, we got different choices, appetizer, kind of like the best honey garlic chicken wing here. And I want to say thank you so much for everything, and I really need you guys here, so I hope to see you around. Thank you so much.
Discover and experience the Dirty Bird Lounge and support this very special Hayward small business. Shop Hayward. Support Hayward small businesses today. Thank you for watching this production of Cal State East Bay and its College of Business and Economics.